today.
Okay.
So your number sentence is exactly correct, Emilio, and you were able to tell me that we are missing a part. Exactly right. The one thing that I did notice yesterday was you represented the part and tried to take the whole away. What did you represent first today in your story problem?
I represented 58 because 19's not enough, and we have to subtract it because there's not enough numbers in 19.
Oh, are you starting in your ones place or your tens place?
Tens place.
Great. Can you show me your work so I can see the flat six and dots that you chose to represent?
Okay, I just started.
That's okay. So you're going to represent 58 first. Can you walk me through how you're going to represent it using six and dots? You just put yourself back on mute. There you go. Brian.
I'm gonna put my notebook fell.
It's okay. Brian, turn around. Let me see your work so I can see your smart thinking on your paper. Put your camera down so I can see it. Emilio, as you're representing, I'm going to meet with another friend first, and then I'm going to come back. Elon.
Okay.
Can you come off of mute and share with me the strategy and number sentence you chose?
Well, the number sentence I chose is to put together because I think it says John ate 19 fries at snack. He ate some more altogether. He ate 58. And then it says, how much fries did he eat?
Great. So can you tell me what that number sentence is that you wrote?
I think the number sentence that I wrote was sticks and dots. And then I used them to represent how much he ate.
Elon, I might not be clear in my questioning, and that's my fault. Can you tell me the numbers you wrote so I can write down the number sentence you wrote down?
Oh, the numbers I wrote down?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let me get the page back. I think I lost. Yeah, I found it. So I put 19. Actually, I put 18 and I did one dot. And then I figured out if I count from 58 and then I go up, like put it more together, I can get a new number. I'm done.
Elon, do you know our whole or do we know our parts?
Miss T, I'm done.
Thank you.
I know the whole.
Can you show me your paper then, Jazzy, if you are done? That's for all friends. Show me your paper if you are done. So, Elon, if we know our whole, what are we missing?
We're missing our parts.
Perfect. What do we know about our part-whole relationship?
What we know about our part-whole relationship is that the part-whole makes the whole.
Okay, so if we're missing a part, what should we do?
We should find out what's the part.
How do we find out the missing part?
We find out. Like we do what we have to do, find what the parts is, and then we can put it right next to the whole. And then it's gonna be out like a part whole.
Are we gonna add or are we going to subtract?
Subtract, I think.
Yeah, why are we subtracting? Because the number sentence you gave me was addition. Why are we subtracting and not adding?
Subtracting and not adding because we need our wholes, our part first before our whole.
Perfect. You go in and fix your number sentence. What number sentence?
Yeah.
Elon, my feedback for you is to stop and think, what are we missing in our story problem? What are you going to do first?
What are we missing in the story problem?
You're able to tell me when you stop and think. The first thing that you want to do is add when you see two numbers. So I want you to slow down, because once you slow down, you understand deeply what the story problem is asking you to do. All right, friends, we are